Hello everybody, this will be a video on naked point of controls, what they are, and really how you trade them and how I kind of trade them and implement them in my uh, swing trades along with day trades and other scalp trades too. If you guys like it in this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Anyways, how I set this up is I go off the daily time frame. And so what a naked point of control, or let's start off with a point of control. What it is basically the whole range of which a asset was traded at, and it is the most common price or fair value an asset was traded at. And so another way of looking at it is if we go to a lower time frame, what it is essentially is a fixed range volume profile for the whole day, from the opening to closing day. And it is the point of control, the most common price value it was traded at, but it's on a daily time frame in a way. And so what you want to be looking for when trading these is what you can do is the current point of control for the day. That is a common range and value of price where it trades to a lot, and it tends to go back to it during the whole trading day. And what I like to look for is price when it leaves a point of control. And so the point of this whole video and what you are looking for is when price leaves a point of control, preferably on the daily time frame we'll use for this example. It leaves it open. And so with this, it acts as a local resistance to price, and it kind of acts like a magnet, and price will kind of cling towards it and go towards that value. The reason for this is because there's a bunch of open liquidity or open sell or buy orders in this case. In this case, there's a lot of sell orders up here. And so price will come up and grab this point of control and then maybe reject off of it possibly. It's not always the case, but most of the time it is, and price will react to it and respect the level. And so to help you out with identifying these, I like to use the volume profile session volume HD. You can just search for it up here and just star it to add it to your favorites. And so that is what I'm using. I am using the standard setting, I believe. Yeah, just the standard setting. And so with this, what I like to do is mark out points where price left the point of control open. So in this case, up here, price hasn't gone up and tapped that point of control yet. And same with down here. It is open. And this, I guess a term for it would be called a naked daily point of control. And so if you watch my channel, what I like to do is mark it out, and I write NDPOC, so I know what it is really, and then I'll just add the coordinates to it. This also works with many other time frames. Personally, I like to use the daily, the 7-day or the weekly time frame, and mark out those naked point of controls. And then I like to do it on the monthly, and the monthly is good for identifying swings, especially when it doesn't occur too often. Price rarely leaves a monthly point of control open, but when it does, it tends to go back to it. And so a way of trading this, actually kind of traded this in a naked daily point of control was acting as resistance in this case. And so if I just go back to my history here, I'm going to take that out because I already have it marked, but I'm going to zoom out a little bit. And so as you can see right here, I had it marked out in maroon purplish right here. And I was on the 24-minute time frame. And as you can see right here, we had price coming up, and then it quickly got rejected. It doesn't always have to be strong rejection when price does come up to a naked, in this case, daily point of control, but it does act as resistance or support in most cases. And so with this, we had price coming up. And if we go to our indicator, I use Market Cipher. I'll leave a link in the description to the indicator itself. Feel free to check it out. And so with this, we had price making higher highs. It was coming into a resistance, our naked daily point of control, right? And we had momentum coming down. And so this leaves us with an imbalance in price, meaning price needs to change. And so with this, we got a rejection off of it. And so that is one way you can trade using this. Again, this works on any time frame, really. I haven't really used any lower time frames, but I'm sure a 4-hour time frame would work. There'd be a lot of point of controls that are untapped, but it would still work. If you guys learned something, please give me a thumbs up. Plus, I'll be leaving a free link in the description to a free Discord that I post all my trades and other ideas. Thanks. Bye.